Good morning. This is Dr. Robert Pachkowski from West Leyden High School. This is for my anatomy and physiology class. I am going to walk you through the mnemonic of blood flow through the heart, which is called VAVA L VAVA. Okay? You are going to need 4 different colored pencils or more, markers, whatever. You will see that I will be doing this in color. But basically, this is the blood through for the heart. It does not include the valves. We will put those in after. So you should put your paper horizontal and list it out like so. Va, va, L, va, va. Okay? Now, we have the entrance of blood coming in this way, and the blood leaves and goes to the body that way. Okay, so first off, we are going to be on the right side of the heart. This is the right side of the heart, and you'll notice I put it in blue because that is the acceptable deoxygenated blood flow. So anything that is in blue has deoxygenated blood. And then we'll do the valves in a different color. So on the right side of the heart is deoxygenated. On the left side of the heart it is oxygenated. Please note that blood is never, ever, ever blue. Look it up. Okay, so first off, the blood coming into the heart comes into the vena cava or cava. I've heard both. And it's from the superior and inferior vena cava. Okay, next up, what will come in is the right atrium. Okay, and then the right ventricle. Okay, and then, so we come into the heart, right here, through the vena cava, through the right atrium, through the right ventricle. Now we are leaving the heart, and any vessel that is attached, that brings blood away from the heart, away, is an artery. Okay? So we have the artery, and this is the pulmonary artery. Okay, and then we go into the lungs. Okay, the lungs. Now we are coming back into the heart, and the blood is now oxygenated, so we come into the pulmonary vein. Okay, and veins bring blood to the heart. Okay, then we come back into the heart, and it is the left atrium into the left ventricle, and then we leave the heart into the aorta. Okay, so that concludes the part on VAVA L VAVA. You have ventricle, atrium, vena cava, atrium, ventricle, pulmonary artery, lungs, pulmonary vein, come back into the heart, left atrium, left ventricle, and then leave the heart aorta. Now we are going to put in the valves. Anytime you leave or come into the heart, there is a valve. Valve. Okay, there's a valve here. There is a valve here. And there is a valve here. And all of these green lines are semi-lunar valves. Okay, semi-lunar valves. Now they do have individual names, but for our purposes here, we'll just go with semi-lunar valves. Okay, now in between the atrium and ventricle, we have valves, and they have separate names. The easiest one to remember is the right and left atrioventricular valve. Okay, you have a right and a left. Or this is the tricuspid valve. And then this one over on the left side is the bicuspid, also known as the mitral valve. Okay, so this on the left side has 3 names. The other one has 2 names. So that is the flow of blood through the heart. I suggest that after you watch this mess and write it down, you redo it